What's the meaning of Angostura bitters? Angostura bitters. Angostura bitters. Angostura bitters. Angostura bitters. Angostura bitters.
Angostura bitters is a concentrated bitters flavoring made from a blend of herbs and spices. It has a strong, bitter taste with notes of cinnamon, cloves, and ginger. A few drops of Angostura bitters are commonly used to add complexity and depth of flavor to cocktails such as the Old-Fashioned and Manhattan. The result is a harmonious balance of sweet, sour, bitter, and sometimes salty flavors that enhance the overall drinking experience. Angostura bitters are a staple ingredient in many classic cocktails and are widely recognized as an essential component of any well-stocked bar.